This is the step-by-step for delete elements from a chart. So on the stacked bar sheet tab, click the vertical axis title right on the left side here and press the delete button to get rid of it. And then on these other tabs, so on coffee line, we delete the horizontal title at the top here, or at the bottom. And then we go to the total line worksheet, delete the one on the bottom again, and then go to the clustered bar tab and delete the vertical title. Now we right click the stacked bar tab and select move or copy. In the before sheet list box, select clustered bar and create a copy, and then click OK. So now you double click it and you rename it to sales increase. On here you select the $150 data label at the top here for the bakery, which is orange, and you press delete. It deletes all the labels for the bakery. And you repeat this for coffee accessories, the gray, and packaged coffee and tea, yellow, and the deli, which is blue. Now all those labels have been deleted, and you just have coffee and espresso. And then you go to and now we have to rename the annual sales title at the top, and you change it to coffee, espresso, and accessories only, consistent sales increase. Just like that. You can also hide the data series. So you go to this filter button right here called Chart Filters. It's on the right side of the chart. And when you open it up, a dialog box pops up, and you go to the series group and uncheck bakery. And then after that, you uncheck packaged coffee and tea and deli and press apply down here. So now those are all hidden. And then to get them back, you just have to check those boxes again and click apply.